Yo, what's going on, man? It's your boy Money Man coming back to you again from you already know what it is. It's the sit. And today, man, we're gonna take a look at the all-new JBL Live Buds 3. These are true wireless noise canceling earbuds that promise superior sound quality, crystal clear calls, comfort, a secure fit, and we got a smart case. We got a case with a LED on it, bro. I mean, a LED screen on it. And yeah, you can control everything from your phone. The controls for the headphones with the case. Come on, man. Let's get into the features, though. Now, the JBL Live Buds 3 are packed with features. That makes them the perfect earbud for music listeners and music lovers, audiophiles, and anyone else who wants to experience their audio in the best possible way. But we got some highlights, so let's get into it, man. Now, these have high-res audio wireless with JBL's signature sound. Now, what that means is you can immerse yourself in superior sound quality with that signature JBL sound. True adaptive noise cancellation with custom control. Now you can block out any unwanted ambient noise with JBL's advanced noise canceling technology. You can also customize the levels of that cancellation, again, with the case. Look at there. Come on, man. You can really get into some things with these earbuds, man. The only trick is trying to make sure that you actually hit the swipe gesture like right on time. You see that? We can control the ambient sound with the case. It's gonna be some companies that actually copy this. They actually gonna copy this 100%, right? So, in talking about the case, we get the JBL Live Buds 3 smart case, right? We already talked about it. It's just one of the features that everybody's gonna copy. They were the first to really do it. I mean, some of those knockoff companies have actually tried to put your controls on the case, but JBL actually pulled it off in a feat that is actually gonna, somebody's gonna implement that and they're gonna act like they were the first to do it. But we all know JBL is the first to do it. Now, with that being said, the case is a bit bulky in a sense. It's still pocketable, but it's still bulky in a sense. I don't have any issues with it. Me personally, I think it serves its purpose. Not only issue I did have with it is when accidental touches, but that was easily remedied by me actually going into the app and changing it to double tap to wake. So that's what changed that, because every time I touched them, they would come on. It kind of put a hit on the battery life, but speaking of battery life, we get 40 hours of playback time. So that's 10 hours with the earbuds with noise cancellation off, and you get an extra 30 hours out of the case. So, and the case could be charged wirelessly also for added convenience. Up next, we got 6 microphones for crystal clear calls, which means you can make and receive phone calls with the built-in 6 microphone filters out the ambient noise for a pretty much flawless calling experience. I haven't had any issues with it. Initially, I did have an issue with it, but that was on me. My phone was set up a different way, so the sound quality just really didn't sound that well. And I forgot that these actually paired with the Galaxy Flip 6 does have LDAC, so I was able to enable that also. So we also got multi-point connection, the Google Fast Pair, the auto switch, which means these could connect to multiple devices and they can switch those as needed. So the quick pair came in clutch. As soon as I opened the case, got the notification, boom, paired them up, easy peasy. No issues at all when it comes to pairing these. They are IP55 water and dust resistant, so you don't have to worry about sweat, splashes, or dust ruining your earbuds. So they are IP55 rated. So these are perfect for workouts and outdoor activities. Up next, they come with the JBL headphone app control. So there is an app that's associated with it. Also, let's get into it. Let's go JBL. Boom, there we go. We got the JBL app. Let's open the case. We're gonna do this real time. Boom, we got the notification that they are paired. It takes it a few seconds here to show up in the app, and boom, there you go. Same controls that you have with the app on the case that we have here. So we have controls for that. So we got general, we got ambient sound control, which is noise canceling, ambient aware, which there's actual levels to that. You can customize that. And what they have here is talk through, right? You have your options for your smart case, and we're gonna grant notifications. Boom. It may be a glitch too, because I promise you I've already done that like 5 times and it still comes through as grant every time I go into the control smartphone app features. So with that, we got message notifications, which means you can get messages, previews of your messages on the case. How dope is that? You got the previews, and you can get other notifications from other apps. We got quick wake up. That's what I had turned on before, right? And so I just went down to double tap, enabled that, and now we're good to go. Now, on the case, you have feature shortcuts. So you could take all of these and put them on there, but it just make your menu a whole lot longer. So we have spatial sound, timer, lock screen, voice aware, auto play and pause, notification, flashlight, and language. Yes, I know I said language. If you listen to E40, then you already know what that is. But I digress. You can check your best fit, sound amplification. Then you got smart audio and video. You can tailor this for audio listening or video listening. So it's another added feature we have here in these earbuds. Gesture controls, multiple gesture controls here. Albeit they could be done a little bit better in my opinion, especially when you're wearing one in the left ear. You would just have to go in and customize those to make sure you hit your play and pause on the left earbud. But that's just one of those things that you tailor to how you like it and you keep it moving. Let's see what else we got in here. We got audio settings where we have an equalizer where you can customize your equalizer, but we have some presets in there already. We got jazz, vocal bass, club, studio, extreme bass, and I must say the extreme bass is absolutely nuts. So you have those features. You got spatial sound, love it. It's not gimmicky, especially when you use it in the right scenario. I like it, yes sir. Now we got left and right, max volume limiter, sound level optimizer, sound settings, and you have a multiple settings in there for those. So we go with natural, we got voice settings, and here's the voice aware that I told you about. This is where you can change your ambient levels here of how much sound you actually want to come through. So we set that to high, so when people talking to me, I can actually hear them. And we got some added features here where we have relaxed sound, where if you want to get your chill on, get your meditation on, you can hit that 25 minutes, hit that for water sounds, nighttime sounds, campfire, woodlands, more water sounds, and you play and it gets you all relaxed. Find my earbuds, which is a convenient feature. These are actually pretty loud. Let's see. Okay. Let's see what we get here. And you see it actually gets a little louder each time it beeps. So that's how we're gonna go with that one. But that's pretty much all we got here for the actual settings inside the app. So again, you can control all these functions on the exterior of the case. So again, you can change the wallpaper on there. That's me and the wife. I think that's Disneyland Paris. But yeah, you can change the wallpaper in there, man, and you'll be good to go. So that is that. So let's get into what I actually think about these. Now, the JBL Live Buds 3 they're a great option for anyone who wanted some true wireless noise canceling earbuds that offer a superior sound quality, crystal clear calls, and a secure fit, with the added bonus of having this smart case on there. This is not a niche product. This is not a gimmick. This is clutch, especially if you're one who, would like to pocket your phone as much as you can and just use the case to control your media, control your sounds, no double taps here and readjusting on your earbuds, which there's not a lot of readjusting with these when it comes to having them in your ears and your gesture controls. So you got not lifelong, you got a long battery life at 40 hours. That's with noise canceling off. You get 10 with the buds, and then you get 3 more re-ups with that, so that'll give you 40 hours. These things are actually really nice. I got rid of my Samsung Galaxy Buds 3. They were trash. I just can't do earbuds without silicone tips. My ears are made funny, so they fall out. Yeah, the stem was great, or what they call the blade. It was great. I like the way they look, just didn't like the way they actually felt. I always felt like it was falling on my ear. Now, if I can get my hand on the Pros, which we all know they pull those off the shelves, whenever they come back, I'm definitely getting them because I like the features that they had on them. But we're not here talking about those. We're talking about these. If you're in the market for some earbuds and with the added bonus of this smart case, great sound, I think you should take a look at these. So, I'm your boy Money Madman. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in learning a little more about the JBL Live Buds 3s, or if you're looking for a great pair of true wireless earbuds, be sure to check out the link in the description down below, man. Please do not forget to hit that like and subscribe button on your way out. Hit the comment section too, man. Let me know what you feel about having a case that's smart like these. Let me know, man. We'll get a conversation going in the comment section. I'm your boy Money Madman. Get on out of here. Peace.